Imagine this.
Welcome to Match Week 427. Let the simulations begin!
Sports, as we know them, are gone. Outlawed after a decade of rising injuries, cheating scandals, and one famous protest match that brought the system crashing down. The government and the tech giants that fund it now control every event. Athletes no longer run, they log in. Matches are designed, scripted, and approved. Winners are chosen based on metrics and marketability. That's what the rebels say. No bruises, no sweat, no soul. But in the shadows, something real is stirring again. Your character was once a rising star, a gymnast with unmatched focus, a runner who broke time trial records, a boxer too raw for the system, a footballer who refused to throw a match, until they were banned. Too unpredictable, too passionate, too real. Now they train in secret, in basements, rooftops, tunnels, and then one night a message appears on their watch screen, flickering in an untraceable code. You've been chosen for the last game. Come along. What did they lose when they were banned? Fame, family, freedom? Who still drives them to run, punch, climb, or throw? Who do they play for now? Glory or something deeper? Beneath the polished city lies a world that they don't know on the streets. Subway arenas, lined with old stadium lights, storm drains turned into parkour gauntlets, rooftop courts where drone surveillance can't reach. This is the last game, a secret, illegal league built by ex-athletes, rogue coaches, and fans who remember what real sport feels like. No VR, no cheat codes, no sponsors, only strength, speed, skill, heart. Your character joins a ragtag team of misfits, a blind archer who hears every heartbeat, a former synchronized swimmer maybe, who now leads tactical drills, a disgraced coach who once trained champions and vanished with the truth. The danger is growing. Someone in the league is leaking information, and the next match, it might be a setup. The world is watching. Did I mention this is all illegal? Through hidden streams and hacked feeds. With every match your team wins, the lie weakens. People start whispering about unscripted greatness. An anonymous sponsor drops a clue that links the leak to the top of the government. Now your character must decide. Play for glory, prove they were the best all along, fight for freedom, help bring real sport back to the world, or disappear again before someone gets hurt for watching the wrong game. This is more than a game. It's a rebellion, a reckoning, a memory refusing to fade. Because sometimes to move forward, you have to run. And as always, remember, happy writing.